In this video, we're going to look at how to write a name for a covalent compound when you're given a covalent formula. So let's look at the compound NO. First step is you want to identify the different elements or the different nonmetals in the formula. So this is represented by each uppercase letter. So we have an uppercase N. And what we want to do is we want to look at our periodic table and we see the uppercase N is the symbol for nitrogen. So I'm going to write nitrogen. Then we notice there's another uppercase, and that's an O. So we look at the periodic table for O, and we see that the uppercase O represents oxygen. So I'm going to write oxygen here. The next step is I cannot leave oxygen as oxygen. That second nonmetal needs to have the ending changed to IDE. So I want to look at my table here, and I see oxygen should be oxide. So I'm going to change that ending to oxide. So I have nitrogen and oxide now. And now what I need to do is I need to use my prefix table. And what I need to do here is I need to let the people know how many nitrogen oxygens I have using prefixes. So I come up here to the formula and there is one nitrogen. There's nothing out front here, no number, so we assume a 1. And the prefix for 1 is mono. But one exception to the rules we've been talking about is you can't put mono on the first word. You could put di, tri, tetra, penta. So there's 2 nitrogens and 2 O, you'd put di. But because there's 1, we leave it blank. Then we come here to oxygen, and there's nothing in front, so we assume a 1. So you have 1 oxygen, and the prefix for 1 is mono. So I'm going to put monoxide here. So nitrogen monoxide, I combine these together, and now I have nitrogen monoxide.